I'm going to show you guys the coolest special effects that you can generate in Runway Gen 3. First, let's start with these elemental orbs combined with a green screen that look amazing in video. I thought to myself, what would be an interesting project to try this on? So I thought, let's do the Kamehameha from Dragon Ball Z. So that's actually very simple to create. What we want to do is we want to head to Runway Gen 3 and we want to enter 2 individual prompts. Make sure you also mention that you want a green screen in the background like this. Then record yourself doing the Kamehameha. Now we want to jump into our video editing software. So I'm in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you want to grab those generations that you made in Runway Gen 3 and you want to add them on top of your video of you doing the Kamehameha. All right, now let's get rid of that green screen, okay? So we want to go here into effects and we want to write Ultra where we find Ultra Key. Grab that, drag it on top of the generation with the green screen. Then you want to go here and scroll down where it says Key Color, select this option and just click here. So now when you press play, you can see there's no green screen. And now all you have to do is just pre-position the actual orb where your hands are so that it adds the motion, okay? Now this gave me inspiration to do something on a bigger scale. So I thought, let's now do the Spirit Bomb from Dragon Ball Z. So I grabbed my drone, went outside and captured myself doing the Spirit Bomb. Follow the same steps as before and here's what the final result will look like. All right, this next one is actually really cool and it's very simple to do. Just go to the last frame of any video, okay? You want to screenshot it and save it, okay? Head back to Runway Gen 3 and upload the screenshot that you just made. And the prompt that I entered was something on the lines of make slime fall from the top. So when I press play, the video is playing and at the final frame, you will see the slime falling on top, okay? And you can do this for like different examples. This is just one. Here's a few more other examples that I generated doing the exact same thing. Next, I want to show you guys how to make the background footage change or something happen in the background. First, you want to record the room without you sitting there. Then sit down and record yourself in the shot. Okay, first step, grab this section of the video of you filming yourself. You want to head to Runway Gen 3 and you want to go to remove background. All right, so here's the footage and it's actually very simple. You just want to select on the area that you want to keep. So let's select me. So you can see there it's grabbed majority of me and obviously it's left out my arm a little bit. That's okay, let's click onto it and see if we can add it in. And I also want to add the bottom section here, which includes the back of the chair. So let's click there and see if it grabs it. All right, there you go. So you can see there, it's grabbed all of me. And if you press play where it says preview, you can see there, everything that's marked in green, this will be selected, okay? Then you want to just click here where it says done masking. And then you want to click export MP4 and you can even go 4K as well, which is really cool. And you click export video. Next, you want to do a screenshot where the room was empty. So you can see here as well, I'm not sitting there and I've just screenshot it. Let's now head to Runway Gen 3. Then you can pretty much just say anything, okay? Like one example I did was make the room turn on fire. I also said something about making a ghost appearing in the background and then click generate, do it for about 10 seconds. All right, so the footage where we remove the background and out of the green screen, let's grab that and enter that into the video generator and I'll just press play. This is what it looks like and you can see there's nothing in the background. So same as before, grab the Ultra Key and add that onto the video. So now the green screen's gone, guys. All right, now grab the generations of the images that you generated in Runway Gen 3. And here, I'll show you what they look like. This is the one I told the generator to make the room turn on fire. This one here is a ghost. This one here is snow. And this one here is sort of the room opening up. All right, I'm going to show you this next step. It's real easy. So now I've added the footage on top and you can see here when you press play, the background's being generated, but you're still there as well. So it looks like you're still in the room. It's a very cool effect. Anyway, I'm gonna add some sound effects, and here's how the final results turned out. So that's it for the video, guys. I really just wanted to show you guys some cool effects. Let me know in the description below what you guys thought, or if there's any cool ones that you guys thought of. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.